Hello, remote family. I am Jeff from Remote Agent, and I hope you guys are doing good. So, I'm back with another work from home job, and as always, I have 100% a no phone job, and these jobs can be done by anyone, and this is available for all over the United States. So, the opening I have is with this company, Rupa Health, and they are looking for customer support agent. So let's get into the job details. So this role is mainly a customer service position but also includes critical work, administrative tasks related to lab orders, customer support with practitioners and patients over the phone and email, ensuring quality control in lab ordering, data transferring. We all wear many hats and responsibilities may change over time. Here are the benefits which you will be getting. The annual salary of $40,000, unlimited PTO, health and dental benefits, and vision. So they are looking for someone, an ideal candidate who has recently graduated with scrappy hustle mentality, live in the Pacific time zone, or can work those hours. Must be available for a full 8 hours work. It's a full-time role and must be available for company meetings during the day over Zoom and available from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST. Highly organized, able to think one step ahead, takes initiative, time management, and be able to handle many tasks. Excited to have a ton of responsibility and have a big impact on a patient facing product. You should be a problem solver. A strong communication and customer service skills are a must. Here's an important note. They are looking for someone who is willing to pick up the slack wherever is needed and is a true team player. Apart from that, you must be located in United States. You need a reliable, high-speed internet, immediate start, and able to work full-time, work remotely anywhere in the USA. Work schedule is remote and must be available from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST hours. So they are looking for a long-term person, and that's it about this job role. So if you're interested in this job, then please apply for this. You will find a link below in the description. So I hope so you enjoyed today's video, and if you're looking for a work from home opportunity, whether it's a no phone or a phone job, then please subscribe to our channel because we daily upload such kind of work from home job videos on our channel. So thank you so much for watching and you have a wonderful day.